Hello, my name is Jonathan Wiley, and in this digital learning team tip, I'm going to show you 4 ways to add files to your Google Drive. So the first way is perhaps the most conventional, and that's just to do it inside of Google Drive. So you come up to the New button, you click on that, you come over to File Upload, and then a pop-up will appear asking you to choose a file from your computer to upload to Google Drive. So you find the one you want and you have that uploading, as you can see in the bottom right hand corner. Tip number 2 is to save a file to Drive from your email. So sometimes we get attachments where files are added to an email and we want to save those to Google Drive. All you do is open the email, and if you hover your mouse over the attachment itself, you'll see a drive icon with a plus sign on it. If you click that, it will add it straight to your root folder inside of Google Drive. It goes right in your My Drive folder. If you would like to put it in a different folder, all you do is you click Organize. It will pop up and show you some places where you can add the folder instead. Okay, the third option you have is to use an extension from the Chrome Web Store called Save to Google Drive. And what that does is it gives you the ability to save anything from the internet to your Google Drive. So let's say, for instance, that we're here on Unsplash and we're looking for some images for a presentation, and I want this one here of the lady on the laptop. I will click on the image to make it larger, and then come over here to right click, and then you will see it says Save Image to Google Drive. So if I click on that, you can see in the top left hand corner there, it saved it straight into my Google Drive. And again, if I want to change where that file is saved, I can click Change and choose a different destination for the files that are getting saved from that extension. And the last tip I have for you is to use Google Drive for desktop. Now, I know a lot of you already have this installed on your computers, but just to let you know that this is a way that you can add files to your Google Drive too. So once you have Google Drive for desktop installed on a Mac, it will live inside the Finder window, and you'll see it on the left hand side there next to your favorites. On Windows, it will be in a File Explorer, and you can just open your File Explorer and you'll see all your Drive files. All you have to do is drag and drop a file into your Google Drive area, and then you can have your files upload straight to Google Drive from the Drive for Desktop app. So I hope you have found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or comments about any of these tips, please contact your digital learning team at Grantwood AEA, or look through the notes below the video.